Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you're doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell.
Hello you guys, it's Krissy and Marie back with another video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? What are you doing? If you're not subscribed, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can most definitely join the family too. And that's on what? Somewhere had a little lamb. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna get straight into this video. This ALIEXPRESS company hit me up, wanting me to, you know, review their hair. So that's what we're gonna do. So the name of this company, I don't know if I'm going to pronounce this right, but Fave official store on ALIEXPRESS. Of course, I'm going to put the links to the hair in the description box down below. So make sure you click on that. Period. Okay, y'all. So the piece that they sent me is rather short. I've never tried a pixie cut wig before, but we're going to try it today. I've never had short hair. Like, you see this hair right here is pretty long. This is the shortest I've ever had was a bob, so I don't even know how this is gonna look, but hopefully good things. This was the packaging that it came in. Of course, I kind of ripped the box a little bit, but that's okay. Nice packaging. It was sealed, of course, and it came inside like this nice, you know, pre-packaged bag. So we're just gonna get straight to this video. Okay, so I'm gonna take the box, the top off. Boom, I'm gonna unfold it. There you go. Y'all see the wigs in there? Yeah. Okay, so I didn't even see this. Okay, this is the wig. Of course, most companies are gonna put their wig inside of a hairnet. This is the hairnet. It's a natural color wig. Of course, you know, it comes with tissue paper. They gave me a pretty little bracelet. Can y'all see that? You need the lighting in here for me. It's too bright, I guess. Y'all, this is the bracelet. It's pretty cute. I'll put it on. I guess this could be it. I know this ain't no hair bow because this hair is too short to even put up in a little bun. Okay. So this is the hair. It also came with a wig cap. Can y'all see that? Yeah. Let me open it. I did not open this. Yeah. It came with one of these wig caps. Yeah. It's a wig cap. So, I got the hair. It is very short. Like, extremely short. But I was like, I'm going to do the review because I want to try it out. This is the hair. Yeah. So I'm going to take my wig hair off. Yes, I just slapped this wig on my head and put on another wig because I'm trying to get my hair a little break. So this is the wig, and I'm just going to apply it and kind of style it. This wig is a wig that does not have a part. Like, this is the part. I know a lot of people nowadays, they wear like the lace front wigs. I'm trying to remember if this hair is synthetic. I think this hair is like Remy hair, but it doesn't have a part. On the other hand, I prefer lace front wigs, but I said I would give it a try because, you know, you can always make things work. And I want to show y'all that y'all can do that. So I have the wig, and I'm just trying to see how I want to put it on. So I'm about to put it on. Praying to God that it fits because I have a big head. As y'all can see, the wig is on. I gotta pull it down. In the back. Now I'm just going to style it how I want to wear it. Which of course is gonna involve me just kind of like, you know, I'm just gonna fluff out the hair. The curls on it looks good. It's just that I am not used to short hair. I have the face structure for it. What I'm gonna do is I'm just pick it out. So the wig is cute. I'm just trying to like fluff it out. I feel like this would be cute if I have on the right outfit. I think the outfit I have on is just not it. Of course, I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna style it. I'm gonna just get, you know, a little cute right quick. Then we gonna come back so y'all can see the finished product. But it's cute. I like it, low key. I would have to get used to something like this, because like I said, the only hair I've had was a bob. I don't know if I look like somebody's grandma or what. Okay, y'all, it's giving what it's supposed to give, and that's on period. Of course, you know, I had to fluff it out, you know, roughen it up a little bit. But I like it, no cap. It's different. Have you ever had the hair this short before? No. But I like it. It's something different. It's very much cool. It's not giving me any type of, you know. However, the only issue I would have is I would need to put in some type of tucking combs. Because, see, knowing me, I'll be done messing around, the wig be on the floor. And we don't need that. But it's really super duper cute. Okay, y'all, so the wig is Remy hair curly, and it's a pixie cut. So I just found out something with this hair. I can actually spray water on it, and I did not know that. So we're gonna spray a little water on it just to kind of like, you know, shape it just a little bit. In my bottle, it's like water and a conditioner. But it's just to shape it. Just to give it a little fluff. Y'all see it? It's curling up. I wish I had freaking knew that. I'll just spray it on here just to give it a little more definition. You know? Yeah. Of course, it's gonna drip just a little, just fine. If you're not subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? What are y'all doing? Get into it. Y'all might as well, y'all need to subscribe. Simply so you can join the family too. And that's on WIG. So Mary had a little lamb. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really the GOAT for real. If you're a true K-baby, you know my motto, stay lifted and stay encouraged. Always, don't let nobody ruin your day. Because they ruin your day, I'm going to have to throw them hands with them, period. But I love you, K-babies.
You blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well. I miss the way that you look in my eyes, man. That's why I'm getting back with you, girl. Keep on talking about my